When you're starting a YouTube channel, saving money is very important. You don't want to start off with negative $200 in your pocket. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did and where I bought my equipment, a huge savings. Let's go. So the first thing you're going to need is a phone, and you're going to need the OfferUp app. As you can see it here on my phone, it's an application that lets you buy used products from people that are selling them within your neighborhood, but also they allow people to sell things that they're not within the same city that you're in. So you're able to purchase things that are maybe outside of your zone. So that's good because it gives you a little bit of variety. If you just feel like you just want something right now, you can go and pick it up personally, or if you prefer to just wait and get it shipped to you, you can do that. Now, one of the cool advantages of OfferUp is that if you do have something shipped, they have a great guarantee that if the product doesn't work, you get your money back. So you're safe in that way using OfferUp, which I find really useful. So I tend to, go towards the people that ship when I'm looking for specific products. So the way that you save money here is that unlike eBay, which sometimes the prices can be a little bit elevated because people are bidding against one another. In this one, other people are offering their own price. I tended to find things much cheaper than I need on eBay, sometimes 20 to 30% cheaper when compared to eBay. So for the purposes of this video, I wanted to show, like, let's say you're starting a streaming channel, you're starting a YouTube channel, and you need a webcam, you need a microphone, you need a capture card, so you're able to capture streaming the video from your video game console, or if you're looking to stream videos from like a Chromecast or something like that. I wanted to use that as an example here just to see how much money you can save. So I'm going to start off by looking up, I'm starting up a new channel, so I need a microphone. So let's start with a Jedi mic. So you'll see that I prepared. I have some of things already pre-searched, but the Jedi mic costs about $130 new. Sometimes you can find it on sale for about $100 on Black Friday, or if you're really patient on Amazon. But currently it's going for $130. Looking at here at OfferUp, you'll have a whole bunch of different options. Now, the one thing you have to be careful with, the people on OfferUp are not very technical. So sometimes they may be offering a Jedi mic, but it's actually the Jedi mic Mini. So you have to do due diligence and make sure that you're looking at the right product. So let's look at this one here. So this one's a blue mic. It looks like a pretty good condition, and it's $80. Right there, you're saving $40 right off the bat without doing anything else, without making an offer. You're saving $40 on your product. Now, granted, this is used, but you can typically find people that take care of their stuff, and you can get a good deal. I looked for a similar product like this on eBay, and it was about $115. So right there and there, you're already saving. Now, for this particular person, it says open box, never used. I don't see how it could be never used if you opened it, but still, you can tell that they took care of the product just by looking at it in detail. Again, what you want to do just to be on the safe side is make sure that you ask, does this work? Is it in good condition? Why you're selling it? You can always ask individual questions just to make sure that you're getting what you're buying. So then you can click on make an offer, and then you can offer whatever you want. So let's say you wanted to offer $60. You put $60, make an offer, and if the person accepts, you're good. Now, one of the tips I wanted to give you about OfferUp. Most of the time, I found that I get a better deal if somebody has had their product on OfferUp for a few months. So if somebody has their product up for about 3 months, this is the ideal candidate. They likely have still not sold it and forgot about it, or they just had it for a long time and they just need to get rid of it. And they're further down the list. Usually when it's something that's a little bit older, it's further down the list and people are just, lazy and they'll scroll down. So what I like to do is scroll down to the bottom and then look for products that haven't been sold in about 3 months. And then those are the people that I make an offer first. So this one's going for $100. This one looks like it's brand new. It's in the box, looks really good. It's been online for about a month, $7.49 shipping. I would probably offer $70 and see if I could get it. Let's see, just a couple more examples. This one's the Nano, so that's what I was talking about. You have to be very careful. You might make sure that you're getting the right one. So this one is $140. That includes a USB microphone bundle. So this has the Blue Jedi USB microphone. It also has I get some headphones. I'm not sure those headphones are any good, but I'm gonna pass on that. Let's see what else we got here. I really like the blue one. I think that's actually a pretty good deal. Let's see this one. This one also looks like pretty good quality. It says never used, box and everything, 9 months ago. Never used, needs to go ASAP. It's been a little while though. I don't know if this person still has it, but it's worth you sending a quick message. Here's another one, looks pretty good, $100. Again, it looks like in pretty decent quality. $95. And let's do one more here. Wow, this was $120. So that's really expensive. I would probably definitely pass on that. You can always also, by the way, if you can fave it and you can follow it, if it ever goes down in price, OfferUp will email you, and then you can always follow up with that person later on. So let's do another example. Let's do an Elgato. Let's see, I have it in here in my search history. Elgato HD60s. So this is a capture card. So this allows you to take your feed from your gaming console and put it on your screen, on your computer screen. This typically goes for $180 brand new on Amazon. So looking here, OfferUp, I can already see a product for $105, guys. That's $75 off the asking price on Amazon. And this looks brand new. This was a month ago. All right. So new, never used. The HD60 is what you want, what you need to start your career, blah, blah, blah. If you game on PC, Xbox One, PS4, then this is perfect for you. This one has price protection. It was posted a month ago. They're asking $105. I would probably give it a shot. Offer $80 and see what happens. Again, you're already saving without doing anything, $75, and this looks brand new. Naturally, there is no guarantee when you're using OfferUp, so there is that specific drawback. This one's $96, but this looks like it's been through the ringer. I would not offer a price on this, so that's a good thing. You can see the pictures, and you can tell whoever had this didn't take care of it. So I would skip out on that. Sorry, King Johnny. Not today. All right, so let's go down here. Here's another one, HD60s, $150. So this guy is asking for a lot. I would probably pass on this. It's been 7 months though. You may potentially, possibly go for $100. See if the person responds and says yes. Here's another one, HD60 for $105. Was this the same person? It's not the same person, but that looks pretty good. Here's another one, $120. Now this person has pretty good reviews, so I will probably trust this person. Again, I would make an offer of $100 or something like that and hope for the best. So another thing you can do also, if you're seeing that everything that's coming up is really expensive, you can use the filter system here, and you say, you know what, I'm only willing to pay from $60 to $100, and it'll filter it down for you. Then you can sort here by new. So these are the ones that are newest. You can sort by what's closest. You can also search by price. So let's say low to high, and then here you go. Here are the different options. So pretty cool. So let's do one more search. Right now I am in the market for Google Stadia. I'm really not, but let's say I was in the market for Google Stadia. Let's click on that. I was actually looking for it for a while. I purchased the Founders Edition. I thought it was really cool, but I didn't think it was worth keeping for $140. But it's recently gone down in price to about $129, I believe. So I figured maybe I can just find something here on OfferUp. So let's see what we find. $150. What? 5 days ago. Okay, skip. All right, $80. Not bad. It's $130. Let's say it's $120. $40 off. As you can see, the plastic wrap still over the box. I got it delivered. Never ended up using it 2 months ago. This is a perfect candidate for purchasing this product. So $80, $7.49 for shipping. Offer $60. I'm sure he'll take it. It's been 2 months. You have $149, a little overpriced. Let's see what else we have. $115, $40. All right, so some of these are coming up a little high. Oh, this is the Founders Edition. Yeah, the Founders Edition is going to be more expensive because it's more rare. So let's just look for $60 to $100. Let's see what we find. All right, so we got Tristan back again, and we have Megan for $80 also 2 months ago. So you can give it a shot and see what happens. So that's what I did when I started my channels. I basically looked at OfferUp and just looked for different products that I needed to do my streaming. So I looked for a webcam, which was the C920 is the webcam that I'm starting with, and this is the one that I'm actually broadcasting with right now. And at that time on Amazon, it was going for $80, and I was able to get it for $20, and that included shipping. So I saved $70. I bought my Blue Jedi mic for, I believe it was $65 plus $3.29 shipping. And at that time, it was going for about $109 on Amazon. And then I bought a couple of things like a boom mic for the same person that sold me the Jedi mic for about $5. And on Amazon, it was going for about $12. So I was able to save some money along the way. The next thing that I'm aiming for is the HD60S card, because I've been wanting to stream from my Switch console and also my PlayStation 4, because although I like gaming on the PC, I just like the idea of being able to stream my Nintendo Switch games. So that was it. As you can see, you can probably save a lot of money if you're just a little bit smart. You're starting up your streaming channel. You don't want to spend all your money. You don't even know if you're going to like doing this. So why not try to save a little bit of money for secondhand products or even brand new products where, you know, it's as simple as sending a couple of messages, making a couple of offers, and see if they accept. As always, just be careful. Make sure that the person that you're dealing with, that you ask all the questions that you need to ask. Does it work? Is it a new condition? What does it mean when you say this? What do you mean when it says that? And if you have that option, use the shipping version. It's a little bit more expensive because you're going to have to pay for shipping. But at the same time, just having that peace of mind that OfferUp gives you is very helpful. So I hope this has been helpful. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. Don't forget to leave a comment. That's very important. It tells me if you like the content I'm putting up. So make sure you do that if you get a chance. Thank you. And to the next video, that's you, Mix.